best 4K dash camera for impact detection. We tested these 3 dash cameras by hitting them on 6 different spots on my vehicle for an impact. We did this because in the past, I always did the basketball test where I threw the basketball, made a big impact, but occasionally people would question, hey, realistically, no one's throwing basketballs at windshields. So I thought, let's put some impacts on the vehicle and let's see what the video quality looks on these 3 dash cameras during the rain. So let's set the baseline here. The Viofo A329s is set in low power impact detection at the highest sensitivity. The Vueroid S1 is in extreme low power mode at the highest sensitivity. The Thinkware U3000 Pro is in energy saving mode at the highest sensitivity. Now let's go forward with the test. So we made an impact right here, right below the logo. Off here, you can see the mark of where I hit it here as well. You can see the mark here as well. We wanted to hit the vehicle, and then I hit obviously the center, threw the tennis ball at the windshield. And the last test we did was I actually hit right here to see if they would wake up. So anyways, let's see the results. So here is the first test. I'm going to make an impact below the Volkswagen logo. And as you can see, the Vueroid S1 4K is the only dash camera to wake up out of the 3 dash cameras. And we're going to go over to now hit the front driver's side fender with an impact. And as you can see, the Vueroid S1 4K and Viofo A329s both wake up from an impact. We're going to move on to test number 3, where now I'm going to make an impact to the passenger side front fender. Okay, and as you can see, the Vueroid S1 4K is the only one to wake up. The Thinkware and Viofo both don't wake up from impact. The next impact, we're actually going to make an impact to the front hood. And as you can see, all 3 dash cameras wake up. Moving on, we're going to be now throwing a tennis ball at the front windshield. Very similar to the basketball test that I used to do. And as you can see, all 3 dash cameras wake up from impact. Okay, so now on to the final test where I'm explaining that I'm going to go around to the back of the vehicle. I'm going to make an impact all the way on the back hatch. So as I go around all the way to the back of the vehicle, you're going to hear and all 3 dash cameras turn on. And I had the Viofo and Vueroid's rear camera hooked up so you could see what the rear actually looked like. So now that the test is done, the Vueroid had 6 out of 6 impacts it woke up on. And I did do this test 3 times to confirm how consistent the Vueroid S1 4K was. The Viofo woke up 4 out of 6 times. The Thinkware U3000 Pro only woke up 3 out of 6 times. Now, one of the 3 tests, it did wake up when I hit the front passenger side corner, but only 1. So I didn't really feel that it was fair to say that it would. So there's something going on with obviously the G sensor on the Thinkware U3000 Pro, because I'll be honest, I actually expected the U3000 Pro to win this test. I actually did not expect the Vueroid S1 4K to win this test. So this actually really surprised me. But either way, I guess we have our answer. The Vueroid S1 has a great G sensor that is very sensitive, that will actually pick up on pretty much all around the vehicle from impacts. So that was actually pretty awesome. But which one did you think was the best video quality in the rain? Because as you can see, the rain definitely was challenging. And I would say the U3000 Pro definitely was the worst, in my opinion. And then I think it's a toss-up between the Vueroid S1 4K and the Viofo A329s for best video quality in the rain. But as you can see, it is challenging, just even trying to make me out wearing blue clothing. Imagine I'm wearing black clothing and it's dark at night, which I am going to try and work on doing a dark video as well. Either way, if you are looking to support us at all, check us out. safedrivesolutions.com. If you need professional dash camera installation in Greater Vancouver or Greater Toronto, Canada, check us out, safedrivesolutions.com. Thanks again.